Understanding I'm Elated To, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and expressive phrase, I'm elated to. This phrase is not just about being happy, it's about a deep sense of joy and excitement. So, if you're ready to add some emotional depth to your English, let's dive in. I'm elated to is a phrase that expresses intense happiness or joy. When someone says they're elated to do something, it means they are very excited or pleased about the prospect. It's much stronger than just saying, I'm happy to, or I'm glad to. This phrase is perfect for situations where you want to express strong positive emotions. For example, when receiving good news or a great opportunity, I'm elated to hear that I got the job. When looking forward to an event or experience, I'm elated to be going on vacation next week. Let's see some examples to understand it better. 1. I'm elated to announce that we've reached our fundraising goal. 2. She was elated to find out she passed her exams with flying colors. 3. They were elated to be reunited after so many years. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few: thrilled, overjoyed, ecstatic, delighted. And that's a wrap on I'm elated to. Remember, this phrase is all about expressing strong, positive emotions. We hope you're elated to use it in your future conversations. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.